Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Site123 website builder review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. Site123 is a beginner friendly website builder that makes creating simple, clean site feels fast and easy. You can jump into building right away using its intuitive block style, editor and responsive template. It comes with helpful features like appointment booking, event tools, basic e-commerce, free stock image, and even multilingual support, all without needing to touch a single line of code. Plus, customer support is impressive, often praised for being fast, helpful, and reliable 24/7. On the flip side, Site123 isn't the best fit for anyone wanting full creative control. Customization is limited, font and template and layout are pretty locked in, and once you choose a design, you can't easily switch. So if you want advanced SEO, deeper e-commerce tools, or a site that grows with you, Site123 may feel too basic for that. So the free plan is also quite restrictive with low storage, bandwidth first branding, and no custom domain unless you upgrade. So in my conclusion, the Site123 is still worth using, especially if you want a quicker or a quick and easy way to build a nice looking website, especially if you are new to building site or need something practical up or running fast with simple support. So in my conclusion, the app is not ideal if you crave for full design flexibility, advanced features, or a builder that grows with your ambition. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit more helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.